if 13x plus y equals to d, A, express x in terms of y and d. B, find x when d equals to 1 and y equals to 27. Solution. We have 13x plus y equals to d. Now, for us to solve this problem, we need to make x the subject of the formula. Express x in terms of y and d, meaning that we should make x the subject. So what we are going to do, the first thing is this. We are going to move this plus y to the right so that we can make 13x to be either at the left-hand side or at the right-hand side. Now, we want to make 13x to be at the left-hand side. Then we need to remove plus y from the left-hand side and take it to the right. So we have 13x equals to what? D. Taking plus y to the right, it will become what? Minus y. Now, we are asked to make x the subject, which is the same thing as expressing x in terms of y and d. Now, what do we need to do? We need to divide both sides by 13 to remove the coefficient of x, which is 13. Now 13 here, 1, 13 here, 1. It means that x equals to what now? X equals to d minus y divided by 13. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. Now, for the second part of the problem, we have b. For the b part, find x when d equals to 1. So we are given a value of d to be equals to 1 and also the value of y to be equals to 27. So we are asked to find the value of x. We want to find the value of x. So from here, x equals to d minus y divided by 13. So what do we need to do? Anywhere we see d, we are going to put in the value of d to be 1. So x will be equals to 1 minus, what is our y? Y is 27. So divided by 13. So d is 1 and y equals to 27. So x will be equals to 1 minus 27 is what? Minus 26. We are taking away bigger number from a smaller number. So minus 26 divided by 13. S equals to, what is 26 divided by 13? That is 2. So S equals to minus 2. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.